Here, I give you tips. For example, if you get value from this, make sure you give me thumbs up and leave a comment below, because I'm here to help you about self-development. On the Genie script, there is he explaining about the conscious and subconscious mind, as I've explained it loud on the video inside of this YouTube channel. And on the Genie script, if you say something through repetition, for example, you're choosing the program, what you gonna be? For example, me, I wanna be rich. I wanna be rich. Instead of saying I wanna be rich, you have to confirm in your subconscious mind. I mean that you have to say again and again to anybody. You have to say that I'm rich. Yes, I am rich. Like that, confirm. In the mirror, you say in the mirror, I am rich. I am rich. 1,000 times, million times. Got it? You have to say that again and again. Like, let's take, there's one singer here in Madagascar. One singer. His name is Genie. On his thumbnail, he said that Pajak, king. It means that if you repeat every day, you are a king. It means that you are a king. It's up to you. For example, in my work, if I write on my work that I'm king, every day I go back to my home, I see that I'm a king. The king hustle, the house of the king. It makes you feel like a king, doing the thing as a king doing. If you say I am rich, it makes you do the thing as rich people do. And when you do, the rich people do, it becomes rich. Automatically. You got what I mean? Yes, you got it. Okay? If you got it, leave me a comment below. And if you need me to explain more things inside of the Genie script right here on the link below, you can check it out and you can sub for this video. And don't forget to share this video to your friend, mom and daddy, anybody who really very close to you. My name is Thierry Titan. I'm here come from Madagascar. I help people about self-development. As what I've said, that if you want to be rich one day, make sure to repeat, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich. If you need more information about the thing which can help you to reprogram your subconscious mind inside of our box right here, there is on the link below the Genie script, and the program can help you so much and you will manifest a lot of things in your life. That's all for today. Next video again. Don't forget to sub and hit the notification button. Bye bye.